All right, you guys, let's take a look at number 26. This is one of the tougher ones on the assignment. All right, so we got these 2 points. We got 117, and then this other point, 5, -15. Okay. And what we know about these points is that these are the diameter. Okay. Try to actually make this pretty. So these are the diameter. So remember, the diameter goes all the way through a circle. So this could be what our circle looks like. All right, so the things that we need to write the equation of a circle, I'm going to write down the formula for the equation of a circle. It looks like we're going to need the center, right? The HK, and that we're going to need the radius. Okay. Well, I mean, I know the center is right here-ish. So I'm thinking that's the middle, right? So let's use the midpoint formula. x1 plus x2 over 2, comma, y1 plus y2 over 2. To kind of help us, move this stuff down a little bit. There we go. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and label these x1, y1, x2, y2, and I'm going to substitute those into that formula. Let's see what we get. x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. So 1 plus 5 is 6, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So the x coordinate's taken care of. 16 plus -15. This is really just going to, a positive times a negative is a negative. So this is really just going to be a minus. So 17 minus 15 is 2. So it looks like 3, 1 is where the center is. All right, so 3, 1. So remember, change the signs when you substitute it in. So if it's a positive 3 here, it'll be a -3. If it's a positive 1 here, it'll be a -1. All right, so now we got to hunt down the radius. Okay, so if we're doing the radius, this is the radius in the picture, right? Which one of them? So if I want to find out how long that is, I can just use the distance formula to find out how long that is. Now you see why this is one of the tougher ones on the assignment, right? This has a lot of formulas that were busted out. All 3 of our formulas that we learned in this section in one problem. Okay. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and label them down here on x1, y1, x2, y2. And I didn't have to use those 2, right? I could have used, these 2 right here because that's also a radius. I just tried to avoid negatives, so that's why I picked those 2. I was trying to make my life easier. Okay, so let's see here. x2 is 3 minus x1, which is 1. y2, which is 1, minus y1, which is 17. So that's 2 squared, and then -16 squared. So 2 squared is 4. 16 times 16, negative times a negative is a positive, and then 16 times 16 is 256. So this is going to get us 260. All right, so the radius is 260. Or square root, sorry, of 260. But what we need is we need r squared. So I am going to take that and I'm going to square both sides. So that r squared is, well, the squared and the square root cancel each other out. And so we're going to get 260. So that is going to be the equation of our circle. That is just a great question to sum up, everything that we learned in 1.1 part 2. All right, hopefully this helps. Let me know. Take care.